Now that we know what reference angles are, let's look at using them. Let's consider a trig function of some angle theta. Could be any theta, could be any trig function. And we're going to let theta prime be the appropriate reference angle. Since theta prime is an acute angle, all of the trig functions will always be positive. This means that the trig functions of theta are just equal to the trig functions of theta prime with a possible sign change. So as long as we know our trig functions in the first quadrant, we can use those to find all of the rest of our angles and the trig functions of those. We just have to use the reference angle, and then we have to think about whether things should be positive or negative based on the quadrant that they lie in. Let's suppose we want to find sine of 120 degrees. If I do a quick sketch, we can see that 120 degrees is actually in the second quadrant. So the reference angle for things in the second quadrant are found by 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. Since it's this angle here, we need to know how much further to get to 180. So this is 60 degrees. In a previous video, I found sine, cosine, and tangent of 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 45 degrees. And we got that sine of 60 degrees was root 3 over 2. Which tells me that sine of 120 degrees, well, this is AS. This is where sine and cosecant are positive, so I need sine to be positive. So it's still going to be square root of 3 over 2. Let's look at cosine of 5 pi over 4. Well, if I do my quick sketch, I know that pi is 1 full rotation, and I want a little bit more than that. I need 1 extra fourth. I actually want this angle here. So we're in the third quadrant. That means my reference angle is my initial angle minus pi, because I want to know how far past 180 I've gone. And this is going to be pi over 4. Cosine of pi over 4, like I said, I've done 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 45 degrees, which means pi over 3, pi over 6, and pi over 4 in a previous video. And I got that this was the square root of 2 over 2. As a result, cosine of 5 pi over 4, in this case, cosine is only positive in the first and fourth quadrant, so this is going to be negative square root of 2 over 2.